The Ford F-1, the iconic vintage pickup truck that started it all in 1948, is making a spectacular return in 25. Blending its timeless retro design with modern performance and technology, the 2025 Ford F-1 is set to capture the hearts of enthusiasts and truck lovers alike. Ford has taken inspiration from the original F-1's classic design, maintaining the signature rounded grille, flared fenders, and a clean, nostalgic silhouette while giving it a fresh, modern edge. LED lighting, larger wheels, and a sleeker profile bring this vintage icon firmly into the 21st century. Under the hood, the new F-1 doesn't disappoint. It offers two powerful engine options. The standard version comes with a turbocharged V6 that delivers 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking even more performance, there's an optional hybrid V6 engine producing an impressive 450 horsepower while offering improved fuel economy. Both options are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, promising smooth shifts and responsive performance on any terrain. The 2025 F-1 also comes with advanced off-road capabilities thanks to Ford's terrain management system and optional all-wheel drive. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling rugged trails, this pickup is designed to handle it all. The interior combines retro-inspired details with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather upholstery, vintage-style gauges, and a wood-trimmed dash give a nod to its roots, while a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and a 360-degree camera system offer modern convenience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking, ensuring the F-1 is as safe as it is stylish. As for pricing, the base model starts at around $55,000, while the fully loaded hybrid version with all the bells and whistles can go up to $75,000. Production is expected to be limited, making this a highly sought-after collector's item. With its mix of vintage charm and modern innovation, the 2025 Ford F-1 promises to be a standout in the automotive world, appealing to both nostalgic fans and a new generation of drivers.